one of the biggest keys to credit repair is not giving up. If you don't see any results 2-3 months, don't give up. If you're not going to give it a minimum of 4 months, then I would say don't even sign up. Some people are done in 4 months. Some people are done in 2 months. Some people it takes 8 months. It just depends. You just go to the website, click on sign up for credit repair. Then I send you a welcome email, which will be your client portal login, where you can see everything I'm working on. You can upload your picture ID, proof of address, which can be a water bill, electric bill, bank statement, pay stub. Send it in PDF form if you can. And actually, if you do send it in PDF form, you will have to email it because the CRM will not take PDFs for whatever reason. But if you take a picture of a bill with your phone, you can upload it in the portal. You should be able to sign up for MyFreeScore now through the portal. If not, unfortunately, you will have to go back to my website, everythingcreditllc.com, and then click on sign up for MyFreeScore now. And the reason you want to sign up for the one that's on my website and in the portal, if it's in there, I don't know if the link works, is because it's specifically designed for the credit repair software that I use.